Yeah, get a little closer.
What are you doing, Brian?
I am fixing the Can-Am Defender windshield handle that keeps coming loose. This is an HC10 Limited. I've already loosened the screws to make it quicker for this video so it doesn't bore you. But if you have one of these, you'll find out the handle keeps coming loose and the roll pin keeps coming out when you're trail riding. So I did a simple fix with it. Just simply didn't drill any holes. All I did was simply just put a cotter pin in it, bent over the end, and that will keep the roll pin from sliding out the bottom of the hole when you're losing your handle out on the trails. Again, that's an HD10 Limited with the windshield, stock factory windshield, Can-Am. Hopefully this helps you.